Is your laptop always running out of battery when you need it the most? Whether you're traveling, working remotely, attending classes, or dealing with unexpected power outages, a standard power bank simply can't keep up with the demands of modern laptops. That's why choosing the right laptop power bank is more important than ever. But with so many options claiming to be the best, which one truly delivers the power, speed, and reliability you need? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best laptop power banks that offer high-capacity batteries, ultra-fast USB-C PD charging, broad device compatibility, and exceptional value for your money. We'll compare charging speed, battery capacity, output power, portability, safety features, and overall performance to help you find the perfect portable power solution. Be sure to watch until the end because our #1 pick delivers the perfect balance of power, portability, and performance, and it may not be the one you expect. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AsperX 20,000 mAh 165-watt laptop power bank. The AsperX 20,000 mAh laptop power bank is a premium 165-watt fast-charging battery pack designed for laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Its 100-watt USB-C output can quickly charge devices like MacBooks, while the built-in USB-C retractable cable adds extra convenience for travel. It features a TFT color display that shows battery level and charging status in real time. The durable aluminum alloy body improves heat dissipation, and its 20,000 mAh capacity is TSA approved, making it suitable for air travel. Pros: powerful 165-watt fast charging, built-in USB-C retractable cable, 100-watt laptop charging support, premium aluminum alloy design, TSA approved 20,000 mAh capacity. Cons: more expensive than standard power banks, slightly heavier than phone-only chargers. 20,000 mAh capacity may be limited for extended laptop use. Final verdict: the AsperX 20,000 mAh laptop power bank is an excellent choice for professionals and travelers who need fast, reliable charging for laptops and mobile devices. Its premium build, retractable cable, and high power output make it a standout travel companion. Number 2. VENTION 27,000 mAh 200-watt laptop power bank. The VENTION 27,000 mAh 200-watt fast-charging portable battery built for laptops, phones, and tablets. With up to 140-watt USB-C output, it can charge a MacBook Pro to 60% in just 30 minutes and even power 2 laptops simultaneously. Its 27,000 mAh TSA-approved capacity is perfect for travel, while the built-in USB-C cable, extra 240-watt cable, and smart TFT display add convenience. Advanced safety monitoring helps protect your devices during charging. Pros: powerful 200-watt fast charging, charges 2 laptops at once, built-in USB-C cable included, 27,000 mAh TSA-approved capacity, smart TFT display with battery info. Cons: premium price, slightly heavier than standard power banks, limited to USB-C devices for maximum speed. Final verdict: the VENTION 27,000 mAh 200-watt power bank is an outstanding choice for professionals and frequent travelers. Its high power output, large capacity, and premium features make it one of the best portable laptop chargers available. Number 3. UGREEN 25,000 mAh 145-watt laptop power bank. The UGREEN 25,000 Nexode power bank is a powerful 145-watt fast-charging battery pack built for laptops, phones, and tablets. Its 140-watt USB-C output can charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro to 56% in just 30 minutes, while the 25,000 mAh capacity provides multiple charges for laptops and smartphones. With 3 charging ports, a digital battery display, and 2-hour fast recharging, it's an excellent companion for travel, work, and daily use. Pros: 145-watt ultra-fast charging, 25,000 mAh high-capacity battery, 3-device charging support, digital battery display, wide compatibility with laptops and phones. Cons: 65-watt charger required for fastest recharge, slightly heavy for everyday pocket carry, premium price. Final verdict: the UGREEN 25,145-watt Nexode power bank is a top choice for users who need reliable, high-speed charging for laptops and mobile devices. Its fast performance, large capacity, and compact design make it ideal for professionals and travelers.
Number 4. Feidyns 26,800 mAh laptop power bank. The Feidyns 26,800 mAh laptop power bank is a 65-watt USB-C fast charger designed for laptops, phones, and gaming devices. Its 26,800 mAh TSA-approved capacity is safe for air travel, while the built-in USB-C cable eliminates the need to carry extra cords. With 3 charging ports, 65-watt PD fast charging, and a smart digital battery display, it can power multiple devices at once. Built-in safety features and compact design make it a reliable travel companion. Pros: 65-watt USB-C fast charging, 26,800 mAh TSA-approved capacity, built-in USB-C cable, charges up to 3 devices simultaneously, smart digital battery display. Cons: slower than 100-watt plus laptop power banks, no wall charger included, limited customer review history. Final verdict: the Feidyns 26,800 mAh 65-watt power bank is a great travel-friendly charger for laptops and mobile devices. Its built-in cable, airline-safe battery, and compact design make it a practical choice for work, travel, and everyday backup power. Number 5. JUOVI 20,000 mAh 90-watt laptop power bank. The JUOVI 20,000 mAh 90-watt laptop power bank is a compact, high-speed charger designed for laptops, smartphones, and tablets. With 90-watt USB-C fast charging, it can power MacBooks, Dell laptops, and other USB-C devices while remaining TSA-approved for travel. Its 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports allow you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, while the built-in safety system protects against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. Pros: 90-watt USB-C fast charging, TSA-approved 20,000 mAh capacity, 4 charging ports for multiple devices, wide compatibility with laptops and phones, advanced safety protection. Cons: no built-in charging cable, 20,000 mAh may be limited for larger laptops, wall charger not included. Final verdict: the JUOVI 20,000 mAh 90-watt power bank is a solid choice for travelers and professionals who need fast, reliable charging for laptops and mobile devices in a compact, airline-friendly design.